Hatay, Turkey, February 20, 2023.
La ilahe illallah.
In the south of Turkey, a new quake measuring 6.3 on the Richter scale has caused new worries. 2 weeks before this one, the area was shaken by the deadliest earthquake in recent memory, which killed tens of thousands of people in Turkey and Syria. The U.S. Geological Survey said that a 6.3 magnitude earthquake hit the border of Syria and Turkey on Monday, February 20th. This was exactly 2 weeks after an earthquake that killed more than 47,840 people in the same area. Not long after the first one, a second one with a magnitude of 5.8 hit. It was felt as far away as Egypt, as well as in Syria, Jordan, and Israel. Lutfu Savas, the mayor of Hatay, says that some buildings fell during the most recent earthquake, trapping people inside. Three people died in Turkey, and more than 213 other people were hurt. A volunteer group called the Syrian Civil Defense says that more than 130 people were hurt in Syria. The USGS says that the earthquake's epicenter was near the city of Uzunbag, which is in the extreme south of Turkey, near Syria and the Mediterranean Sea. Antakya, which is close by, was scared and had buildings broken because of the shaking. The earthquake was also felt in Egypt and Lebanon. The earthquake happened around 8:04 p.m. local time, according to the USGS. Vice President Fuat Oktay of Turkey said that at least 8 people have been taken to the hospital. In the Turkish seaside city of Iskenderun, the city lost power and many buildings fell. On the other side of the border, the Syrian Civil Defense said on Twitter that many people had been hurt by falling rocks, stampedes, or falling from buildings. According to what the group said, 2 empty buildings fell in one place, and other buildings cracked in many different places.
Şu anda deprem oluyor tekrar. Tekrar deprem oluyor şu anda. Bina hatlarından uzaklaşın! Bina hatlarından uzaklaşın!
Children were taken out of a hospital in the city of Akrabat, Syria, for their own safety, even though the temperature outside was close to freezing. The Environment and Urbanization Ministry of Turkey said today that out of the 105,794 buildings it looked at, 105,794 are either completely gone or have been damaged so badly that they have to be torn down. The two countries' earthquakes have made more than 1 million people homeless, and the government of President Recep Tayyip Erdogan is being criticized for building methods that didn't stop buildings from falling down. As a result of the earthquakes, the government has to deal with a number of threats to public health, such as stomach and upper respiratory illnesses.
فكيف البحر ناشف؟ فيش بحر.
The day before, Secretary of State Antony Blinken went to Turkey. On Sunday, he made an announcement about more humanitarian aid, bringing the total amount of help from the U.S. for the earthquakes in Turkey and Syria to $185 million. The United Nations has asked the rest of the world to donate more than $1.4 billion to help people in need.
Ya Rabbim! Allah!
Allah 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 Allah.
Allah!
Tamam. Sakin bir şey.